how to sign up or log in to the SiriusXM Music, Sports and News app. Now, if you want to either create an account or log into your SiriusXM account, it's very simple. First of all, you want to open up the SiriusXM application that you can see here, and this is the type of interface that we will be able to see. Now, the first thing is, if you already have an account, at the bottom you'll see an option that says I already have SiriusXM. So you can just tap on it, and then here you could enter your email or username, and then you can just tap on the sign in option to sign in. In the case that sometimes you happen to forget your details, you could also tap on the forgot your login option to reset it. Now, if you want to create an account though, here again come back and just tap on this option that says try free. So tap on the try free option. Over here we simply need to enter the email address that we would basically like to use for our SiriusXM account. So let me just go ahead and then do that, and then after that you want to also enter your password, but as you can see it says that password is also actually quite optional, so it isn't really that necessary for you to enter a password, but if you want you can create it. I will just tap on the continue button for now, and after I've done that it will probably send me a link to my email where I can go ahead and then verify. So here it says all access app only. I can select a plan for 7 days or for monthly basis. You can see the cost here. Then I can tap on agree and continue, enter the payment information, and then I'll be able to sign up my account as well. And this way I should be able to go ahead and then basically sign up or log into SiriusXM account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.